That's my dad. My dad is on tour with my uncle. I'm with my cousin right now. Sometimes she's a baddie, but sometimes she's not. When I first met her, I tried to convince that her bestie Jerry was her boyfriend. Remember when we caught like 2 crabs? And Austin broke into 2 fishing rods? Was that sad?
It was sad. I mean,
And then I caught a fish because I almost fell off the thing. Mama. So, Gianni, can I eat this? What? Sharing is cute. We should try grilling it. And Dada? I see. നമുക്കൊന്നും തന്നില്ലല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മള് ട്രൂറോയ്ക്കല്ലേ പോകുന്നേ? കാഴ്ചകൾ കാണാം. We could take some photos. Photos? എന്താ? കൊക്കക്കോള വേണോ അപ്പര? കുറച്ചേ കുടിച്ചിട്ട് തരണേ.